In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Firefox browsing experience by adding a touch of personal flair and interactivity with the Live Start Page extension. This is a great way to breathe some life into your new tabs with dynamic wallpapers, making your browsing routine a bit more lively and visually engaging. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch your Firefox browser. Make sure you've got it open and ready on your screen. Once you have Firefox up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice a button there that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, look for and select the option labeled Extensions and Themes. This is where you can manage the add-ons and extensions for Firefox. Now, in the Extensions and Themes section, you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Live Start Page, Speed Dial, Living Wallpapers. This leads us to the next step, which is installing the extension that will add those lively touches to your new tab experience. Once you find Live Start Page, Living Wallpapers in your search results, go ahead and click on it to access its details page. Here, you'll see an Add to Firefox button. Click on this button and a pop-up window will appear, asking if you want to install the add-on. Confirm your choice by pressing Add. Firefox will then take a moment to install the extension, and once it's done, you'll be ready to start enjoying your new live wallpapers. After the installation, it's time to see your new extension in action. Open a fresh tab in your Firefox browser, and you should notice that live wallpapers have been magically applied to your new tab background. It adds a fresh and vivid touch to what was once a plain and static page. However, the fun doesn't stop here. Now that your live wallpapers are set up, you have the option to customize them to fit your style or mood. Look for the settings icon, which resembles a small gear, on the new tab page. Click on it to open the customization options. Here, you'll be able to browse through various live wallpaper themes available to you. Take your time to choose your favorite one. Once you've made your selection, be sure to save the changes. This will ensure that your selected theme greets you each time you open a new tab. And there you have it. You've successfully brightened up your browsing experience with live wallpapers in Firefox. This small, yet impactful change can make a noticeable difference in your daily routine, providing a bit of joy and personality every time you open a new tab. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy your new and improved Firefox experience.